This is a Samsung Galaxy M34 smartphone. I have been using this mobile for more than a week as my primary device. You have already seen a lot of videos related to this mobile on this channel like unboxing, gaming review, battery drain test and charging test. Now in this video I'm sharing my genuine opinion on the camera. So if you're planning to buy this mobile for the photos and video category, watch this camera review, you will know everything about this. First, let's have a look at the camera specifications. On the back, the main one is a 50 megapixel with an aperture of f1.8. This camera has features like PDAF and OIS. The second camera is an 8 megapixel with an aperture f2.2. This is a 120-degree ultra-wide angle lens camera. The third camera is a 2 megapixel with an aperture f2.4. On the front, it's a 13 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2. There is no autofocus option is there for this one. By using back cameras, you can record videos at maximum of 4K 30 FPS, while on the front, it's 1080p 30 FPS. First, let's have a look at the photos taken in daytime outdoor conditions. You can observe the text on the top of each photo about the magnification that these photos were taken. You can click photos starting from 0.5x and up to 10x. You can also observe the photo quality here. The colors are good and pleasant for the eyes. Not only this, look at the clouds as well. Those are looking good. The 10x photo is okay for checking the numbers and any big text. Apart from that, this photo is not good. Sharpness is not there and overall the 10x photo looks like a flat one. Actually, after clicking the 10x photo, the software takes some time to process the image and gives the best output it can. Overall, the photos in daytime outdoor conditions are looking absolutely good on this mobile. 0.5x, 1x and 2x photos are looking good and crisp. In the camera app, you can change the aspect ratio, photo megapixel to either 12MP or 50MP. Not only that, you will also get some extra settings like motion photo, filters, etc. I clicked all photos in natural conditions without any effect added to it. You can use the filters as well and it's totally your choice. Now let's look at the front camera samples. The daytime shots are looking nice. These all photos are taken in portrait mode. The edge detection is good and you can observe here. Also in every shot I observed that the saturation is boosted a little bit. While taking the photo with the selfie camera, you get an option on the screen to get a wide angle shot. Technically this mobile doesn't have any ultra wide angle lens camera for selfie, but it's a software optimization kind of thing. Basically what it does is it actually crops the photo initially. If you click the wide option on the camera app, you get the feeling that you get some space on the screen to fill some more people or area. These are some more pictures taken in outdoor and indoor conditions with the back camera. You can click the macro pictures with the back camera if you want. These are the pictures taken in indoor and outdoor conditions. In indoor, I tried to click in a very dark environment. So that's why I turned on the flashlight. So you can see here on these photos. For clicking macro photos, you need to keep your mobile as close as possible to the subject. Then only you can click the great pictures. I tried to click a moving ant, but it's really hard to click these type of fast movements. So take care while clicking the macro photos. One more thing, if you want, you can click the 50 megapixel photo as well. And these are the pictures you are seeing right now. You won't see major differences in between these two images, but yeah, you get some more details if you zoom the photo of 50 megapixel. Even the file size is also very high. For a normal photo, I mean 12 megapixel, it's 4.24 megabytes. On the flip side, for 50 megapixel, it's 14.64 megabytes. You can see more than 3 times storage occupied here. Look at the screenshot of these two images for better details. You can observe the size of these two photos as well as the resolution. Of course, the 50 megapixel photo is big and there are some more details and extra bit of sharpness than 12 megapixel. Right now you are seeing the panorama shot The panorama shot looks amazing. There is no question here. I think the panorama option is the very least often used feature in almost all mobiles. Now let's look at the video quality and audio quality of this Samsung Galaxy M34 mobile with front and back cameras. This is the video recording in 4K 30 fps by using the back facing camera. You can judge the video quality as well as the audio quality. The audio you are listening is directly coming from the internal microphone. Right now I am at 1x. You can actually zoom up to 10x. There is no 0.5x mode for video shooting in 4K 30 fps. You cannot shift the camera while recording in back facing camera, but if you are recording with front facing camera, you can flip the camera front to back or back to front. In this mode you cannot shift like that. Right now I'm walking on the terrace. You can judge how the stabilization, and let's check the focusing test as well. It's pretty fast. Right now you are seeing the video of 1080p 30 fps. It is in 0.5x mode. It is in 1x, 2x, up to 10. Only it is supported in 30 fps 1080p. If you shoot 1080p 60 fps also, you won't get this 0.5x mode. So this is how the video quality looks like. Also, if you actually shift the camera like this while recording the video in 1080p, this is the video recording by using the front facing camera in outdoor conditions daytime. This is how the video quality looks like, and the audio is also coming directly from the internal microphone. You can judge the audio quality as well. Right now I'm walking. You can judge the stabilization as well. You can actually camera while recording the video. This is actually nice. Even you can zoom it also. So yeah, this is how the video quality looks like. This is a slow motion shot. You get two options. One is super slow motion and another one is slow motion. There is no option in the camera that shows on which quality you are recording the video and the FPS. Right now you are seeing is a super slow motion shot. There is a time constraint for super slow motion. You cannot record it for a longer time that you want. Apart from this, you will also get some more options in the camera app. These are the videos taken in indoor nighttime conditions. You can observe the noise as well as the colors it is managing. If you ask me, for nighttime indoor conditions, this camera is not at all good for both photos and videos. Of course, during some emergency times you can use. It's not like the footage is not at all useful. Now it's time to check some more nighttime pictures. These are the photos taken like the daytime conditions, starting from 0.5x, then 1x, then 2x and maximum 10x. You can see the light shift from 0.5x to 1x and 2x. The 10x photo captures a lot of noise and it is not at all matching with the daytime 10x photo. Overall, after clicking these photos, I can say that this camera is not at all performing well in nighttime conditions. But 1x photo looks decent and usable. In the camera app, you get a night mode option as well, but the problem is you only see here. Surprisingly, for me, there is no difference between these two photos. When it comes to selfies, better to skip in pitch dark conditions. But the screen flash option is helpful in no light conditions. In the camera app settings, you get a lot of features like all other Samsung mobiles. Before clicking any photos, I recommend you to change these options as per your needs and start using the camera. Now let's test the videos in outdoor nighttime conditions with front and back cameras. Hey guys, this is the video recording with the back facing camera at 4K 30 fps. By turning on the flash, you can observe how the video quality looks like, and also even the audio is coming from the internal microphone. A lot of wind is blowing. Let's test the autofocus test. Not bad. It's focusing pretty fast, and you can observe the background noise as well. A lot of lights are going. So yeah, this is how the video quality looks like in nighttime conditions. This is the video recording with the front facing camera in pitch nighttime conditions. You can see I think you cannot see anything. I know some of the light leaks you can see on the clouds. So there is no screen flash as well for this mobile. You need a lot of artificial lightings if in case you are recording videos in nighttime conditions. And this is how the audio hears like, because I didn't added any external mic to it. It is directly coming from the microphone of this mobile. So yeah, this is how the video and the audio both looks and hears like. After clicking pictures or videos in the Samsung Gallery app, you get full potential to edit the things. Previously, I reviewed the Samsung F15 mobile where you won't get these many options. If you want to make any basic adjustments, adding text, music, etc., you can do this in the Samsung Gallery app itself. So finally, here is the camera verdict of the Samsung Galaxy M34 mobile. This mobile is performing great in daytime outdoor conditions. Not only there, but in good lighting conditions as well. You get a lot of options and filters in the Samsung Gallery app. When it comes to nighttime, 1x photo looks good and decent compared to others. The screen flash option is great for taking selfies in pitch dark conditions. It is only restricted to that. You won't get a screen flash option for videos while taking from the front facing camera in nighttime conditions. Apart from the camera, you get all the options in the gallery like the flagship mobile. This is so good that we can do some basic adjustments and tweaks without installing any other application. In case you are capturing pictures at night time with good artificial lighting, yes, you can click the good photos, but if you try to zoom the photo and check the quality, you see a lot of noise and it's not good. So overall, whether the Samsung Galaxy M34 smartphone is good for its cameras under 15,000 rupees, the answer is it is only for daytime captures, but for nighttime it's not. If you click a lot of photos and capture videos in dark or nighttime conditions, this mobile is not going to be great fit for you. That's the camera review of this mobile. If you want to know more details about this mobile apart from the camera, I highly suggest watching other videos that I already posted on this channel. Check the description box or else click these videos to know more about this mobile.